Since its early establishment in 2018, the Atal Tinkering Lab at Paramanandapur Jagannath Institution has been a hub for fostering innovation and creativity among students. Under the visionary leadership of ATL in charge and guidance of Headmaster, the lab has enabled numerous students to excel in national and religion competitions, showcasing their talents and ideas on prestigious platform. One of the lab's earliest success stories emerged in 2018 to 2019 when a team of students participated in the NCSC, a national-wide event designed to solve community-based problems. Led by the innovative ideas of students like Devrup Maji, class 9, and the team developed a low-cost natural process for prevention of soil erosion that secured them a position in the top 100 innovators. In 2020, the school continued its streak of success at the ATL summer camp. The year 2022 saw remarkable participation in the ATL Marathon and Think Startup Challenge. Most recently, in 2023, Sheikh Samim, class 11, created a history. His name was enrolled in the India Book of Records for smallest Chandrayaan paper model. In 2024, Shubham Jana, class 10, and team managed to secure first position in cluster level competition Eastern Zone organized by SRFF and AIM Government of India for their eco-friendly innovation garbage-free drainage system, marking another milestone for the school in successive 2 years. Throughout these years, the ATL in charge Sri Prabhakar Chaurasia and AHM Sri Ranjit Kumar Samanto and AHM Sri Dilip Kumar Manna sir have played an instrumental role in nurturing students' talent. Their continuous support, regular workshops and hand-on guidance have created a vibrant environment where students feel encouraged to explore new ideas. The ATL lab has not only empowered students to excel in competitions but also fostered a culture of innovation that will benefit the schools and community for years to come.
Sir, before some time you visit Atal Tinkering Lab of Paramanandapur Jagannath Institution. Please tell me about this school's lab.
A very good afternoon to all of you. I am Sandeep Ghosh, project engineer from SRF Foundation, and with me my colleague Miss Pooja Rawat, program officer from SRF Foundation. So we are associated with Paramanandapur Jagannath Institute for the last more than 3 years, and we are providing different types of training and conducting different types of events for the students and teachers. So I would like to say, like, Paramanandapur Jagannath Institute is one of the best institute in our all the 20 ATL labs. They are performing very good in all the competition, being it the cluster level competition last year and this year. They were the winners in both years, and also they have won prizes in summer camp and every competition which we have conducted so far.
First of all, I want to thank our chief visitors from Delhi, Pooja ma'am and Sandeep sir, and then I also want to thank our headmaster sir and assistant headmaster sir, because without their support it is not possible for us to make this achievement. And then last but not least, it's all about our children's and all about our ATL students, because if the hard work and labor is not from there, we cannot achieve these things. We always focus on innovations, and our students follows this rule. I always give them a motto that genius is 1% inspiration but 99% perspiration. There will be lot of barriers are there, but only one, if only one or two or three inspiration behind them, they can achieve it. But I always ask them to work hard to achieve their goals, and they do so and they achieve this. This is a glorious moment for not for our PJI, but I can think it's a glorious moment for our Moyna, Purbo Mendipur, as well as West Bengal also, because they achieved in this performance a position. Futurely, in past they have achieved so many goals are there. Lastly, they achieved in Thinkerfest, Think Startup. They achieved among 105,000, 1,500 level, and they are also preparing for nextly things, maybe ThinkQ quiz. So I wish best for all of them. Thanking you.
Your name and education.
I am Prabhakar Chaurasia. I am a chemistry teacher as well as ATL in charge of this school.
একই ছাদের তলায় চিকিৎসা জগতের একাধিক পরিষেবা নিয়ে এসেছে গ্লোবাল হেলথ কেয়ার। ময়না বাইপাস রোড, 3 রাস্তার মোড়, 8 বাম্পারের নিকট। আধুনিক প্যাথোলজি, ডিজিটাল এক্স-রে, আল্ট্রাসোনোগ্রাফি, ইকোকার্ডিওগ্রাফি, 24 ঘন্টা পরিষেবা ও অভিজ্ঞ ডাক্তার বাবুর পরামর্শ কেন্দ্র। এখানে প্রত্যহ চেম্বার করছেন স্ত্রী ও প্রসূতি রোগ বিশেষজ্ঞ ময়না হাসপাতালের ডাক্তার দেবরাজ দাস। সুগার ও থাইরয়েড বিশেষজ্ঞ SSKM হসপিটালের ডাক্তার দেবাদিত্য দাস চেম্বার করছেন প্রতি রবিবার। আর.এন.টি. হসপিটালের গ্যাস্ট্রোলজিস্ট ডাক্তার বিবেক মোহন শর্মা প্রতি রবিবার চেম্বার করছেন। হৃদরোগ বিশেষজ্ঞ SSKM হসপিটালের ডাক্তার মৃণাল কান্তি মান্না চেম্বার করছেন প্রতি মঙ্গলবার। হৃদরোগ বিশেষজ্ঞ আর.এন.টি. হসপিটালের ডাক্তার সরোজ কুমার চৌধুরী চেম্বার করছেন প্রতি শুক্রবার। তমলুক মেডিকেল কলেজের অর্থোপেডিক সার্জন ডক্টর দীপায়ন সরকার চেম্বার করছেন প্রতি বুধবার। শিশুরোগ বিশেষজ্ঞ ডাক্তার বিদ্যুৎ কুমার খুটদার চেম্বার করছেন প্রতি সোম, বুধ ও শুক্রবার। প্রতি শনিবার চেম্বার করছেন মেডিসিন বিশেষজ্ঞ ডাক্তার অনিমেষ দাস। স্নায়ুরোগ বিশেষজ্ঞ ডাক্তার অমিত কুমার গোস্বামী ও সন্দীপ দত্ত চেম্বার করছেন প্রতি বৃহস্পতিবার। সঠিক সময় সঠিক পরিষেবা পেতে চলে আসুন গ্লোবাল হেলথ কেয়ারে।